Winter brings harsh weather that can leave your skin feeling dry, dull, and irritated. A good night cream can work wonders to hydrate and protect your skin while you sleep. In this video, we'll discuss 7 of the best night creams designed to keep your skin nourished, soft, and radiant all winter long. Let's jump right into the product reviews. Number 1. 8 Saints Skincare Up the Anti-Night Cream. The 8 Saints Skincare Up the Anti-Night Cream is a luxurious solution for anyone looking to combat winter dryness. This cream is designed to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate your skin while you rest, ensuring you wake up with a glowing complexion. The formula is enriched with natural ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and peptides. These work together to lock in moisture, brighten your skin, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The lightweight yet creamy texture absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. In terms of quality, this night cream stands out for its clean, organic composition. It's free of parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, making it ideal for those with sensitive or dry skin. The rich blend of antioxidants also protects your skin from environmental stressors, perfect for winter's harsh conditions. Usability is another highlight. The cream glides smoothly onto the skin, delivering instant hydration. The easy-to-use pump dispenser ensures you get the right amount of product every time, minimizing waste. Durability is excellent as the potent formula keeps your skin moisturized throughout the night. If you're looking for a night cream that's packed with skin-loving ingredients and designed for winter care, 8 Saints Up the Ante is a standout choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. The CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is a dermatologist-recommended favorite for good reason. It combines powerful hydration with skin barrier restoration, making it a winter essential. This cream is formulated with ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work in harmony to restore your skin's protective barrier, retain moisture, and improve elasticity. The non-comedogenic formula is gentle, ensuring it doesn't clog pores or cause irritation. The texture of the cream is rich yet non-greasy, allowing it to absorb seamlessly into your skin. You'll appreciate the lightweight feel that delivers intense hydration without feeling heavy. The fragrance-free nature makes it suitable for those with sensitive or reactive skin. Quality is a hallmark of CeraVe's products, and this night cream is no exception. It's designed to address the root causes of winter dryness, leaving your skin soft, plump, and rejuvenated. The time-released MV technology ensures hydration lasts throughout the night, so you wake up with visibly healthier skin. Usability is straightforward, thanks to the convenient jar packaging. A small amount goes a long way, making it both effective and economical. The cream's versatility also makes it a great choice for those with dry, normal, or combination skin. Number 3. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. The Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream is a powerful multitasker designed to address 3 major signs of aging: wrinkles, uneven tone, and loss of firmness. It's a perfect addition to your winter skincare routine. This cream is infused with vitamin C, glycerin, and hexanol technology. These ingredients work together to improve skin elasticity, brighten dull areas, and deeply hydrate. The formula is designed to penetrate the skin's surface, targeting fine lines and wrinkles at their source. The texture is rich and creamy, yet it absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. The light, pleasant fragrance adds to the overall experience without being overpowering. It's a formula that feels luxurious while being gentle enough for everyday use. Neutrogena is known for its high-quality skincare, and this product lives up to the reputation. The potent blend of ingredients visibly improves skin texture and tone over time, making it an excellent choice for winter protection. Usability is a breeze. The cream spreads evenly and works well under additional skincare layers. It's effective for a wide range of skin types, ensuring that anyone can enjoy its benefits. Number 4. Essano Visible Repair Night Cream. The Essano Visible Repair Night Cream is a natural and effective solution for combating winter dryness and signs of aging. Packed with skin-loving botanicals, this cream nourishes your skin while you sleep. The formula features rosehip oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. These ingredients are known for their deep hydration properties, ability to restore skin elasticity, and effectiveness in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The addition of plant peptides enhances the skin's natural repair process. The texture is silky and luxurious, offering a spa-like experience at home. Despite its richness, the cream absorbs quickly, leaving your skin soft and supple without feeling greasy. The subtle botanical scent is both calming and refreshing. In terms of quality, Essano delivers an eco-friendly product that's free from parabens, silicones, and harsh chemicals. The use of certified organic ingredients ensures your skin gets only the best care during the harsh winter months. Usability is made simple with its convenient jar packaging. The cream spreads smoothly, ensuring even coverage across your face and neck. It's suitable for all skin types, especially those prone to dryness. Number 5. e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Nourishing Night Cream. The e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Nourishing Night Cream is a budget-friendly yet highly effective option for winter skincare. Designed to provide intense hydration, it's perfect for combating dry, flaky skin. This cream is enriched with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and squalane. Together, these ingredients deeply moisturize, improve elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Vitamin B5 is also included to soothe and repair the skin. The texture is rich but not heavy, making it ideal for overnight use. It absorbs easily, leaving your skin feeling nourished and refreshed by morning. The lightweight formula ensures it doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for a variety of skin types. Despite its affordable price, the quality of this cream is impressive. It's free of harsh chemicals and crafted with vegan, cruelty-free ingredients, ensuring ethical skincare for conscious consumers. Usability is straightforward, with a user-friendly jar design that allows easy application. A little product goes a long way, ensuring great value for money. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned skincare enthusiasts. Number 6. IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream is a luxurious, high-performance product designed to transform your skin overnight. Perfect for winter, it targets dryness and signs of aging simultaneously. The formula combines ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and adenosine. These ingredients work together to strengthen the skin barrier, lock in moisture, and smooth fine lines. The unique Rest and Restore technology enhances your skin's natural renewal process. The texture is rich and velvety, delivering an indulgent experience. The light lavender scent provides a calming effect, making it a soothing part of your bedtime routine. Despite its richness, the cream absorbs well, leaving no residue. IT Cosmetics is known for delivering quality, and this night cream is no exception. It's clinically tested to improve skin texture, firmness, and hydration. The cruelty-free and paraben-free formulation ensures it's gentle on your skin and the environment. Usability is seamless. The cream spreads evenly, covering your skin in a layer of hydration and care. It's suitable for all skin types and works well with other nighttime skincare products. Number 7. Starlite Radiance Night Cream. The Starlite Radiance Night Cream is a hidden gem for winter skincare. Designed to provide intense hydration and a radiant glow, it's a perfect choice for those seeking a luminous complexion. The formula is infused with botanical extracts, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. These ingredients nourish the skin, restore elasticity, and reduce dryness. The inclusion of aloe vera adds a soothing touch, making it ideal for irritated winter skin. The cream's texture is lightweight yet hydrating. It glides smoothly over the skin, absorbing quickly without any greasy residue. The delicate floral fragrance enhances the experience, making it a pleasure to use. Starlite's commitment to quality is evident in this product. The use of natural ingredients ensures gentle care, while the rich blend of nutrients supports the skin's renewal process. It's particularly effective in restoring dull, dehydrated skin to its natural glow. Usability is enhanced by the convenient jar packaging. A small amount is enough to deliver comprehensive hydration, making it both effective and economical. If you're looking for a night cream that combines hydration and radiance, the Starlite Radiance Night Cream is a fantastic choice. There you have it, 7 of the best night creams to keep your skin hydrated and protected this winter. Each of these products is designed to address the unique challenges of winter skincare, ensuring your skin stays soft, nourished, and radiant. Whether you're looking for luxury or affordability, there's a perfect option here for everyone. Take your pick and let these night creams work their magic while you sleep.